Updating your email address on Peacock is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Peacock website or open the app and log in using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled email preferences or account information. Click on it to proceed to the email update section. Step 4. Enter new email address. You will see a field where you can enter your new email address. Type in the new email address you wish to use and ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. By following these steps, you can successfully update your email address on Peacock. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.